dkdynamics presents for channel IR remote control.
Hello friends, welcome to dkdynamics. As you know, I am Rob, have come back with some more day-to-day life useful gadgets. So friends, we all have feel the convenience of changing the channels as well as the programs or changing the volume by using the remote. So friends, I think that these type of remotes must be used to control our lights, fans as well as the other gadgets. Friends, people think that using the remote will make us lazy, but this is not true, as the number of the gadgets as well as the features of the gadgets are increasing day by day. So friends, there are various types of the controls available in the market, such as the Bluetooth control, Wi-Fi control as well as the voice command, but these are all very costly and they are not easy to make. So friends, I have come with a more new and easy to make IR remote control, which is very easy to make using some very easily available components, and we don't have to do any change in the wiring of the circuit board, and it can be applied to the existing switching board without any change in the wiring. So friends, here is the IR remote control, which we are going to operate by using this remote. So friends, this IR remote contains one microcontroller ATnE28, and it is having 5 relays, filter capacitor, 5 diodes, voltage regulator IC, and a step down transformer and some connectors. And friends, we are going to operate it by using this remote. We have fitted 5 bulbs on the boards, and now we are going to operate these. So friends, first of all, I am going to turn on first, then second, third, fourth, fifth. Now friends, now I'm going to turn it off by switching off the power button, and all are going to be off simultaneously. Now friends, if we want to switch off or on a single bulb, we can press the respective numbers like this. So friends, this is a very useful device which we can use to our existing switching board to control the gadgets and as well as lights and fans, and these are also useful for the paralyzed persons. So friends, it uses the different frequencies. Modulated 38 Hertz IR is generated by the remote, which is received by the microcontroller, and the microcontroller feeds the relays, and relays control the gadgets such as the light, fan and other useful devices. So friends, you can make this wonderful project for home automation, and you can show it in your engineering and as well as diploma, and you can also make this prize winning project for your school. So friends, for more details, log on to www.dkdynamics.com, and don't forget to subscribe our channel for more new videos, and please like and share our video. Thank you.